Powerful people come from powerful places. So hey guys, welcome to VHS Academy. So in today's video, we are going to discuss something different. So see guys, the thing is like that. In the life, the means of success for every people is different. Okay, some may be happy with the job. For example, if someone got the job, okay, they are happy. Yeah, we got the success. For some persons, it may be different. They got married. Now they are happy. They have achieved all things which they want to achieve in their life. Okay, for some persons, the success may be something different. Okay, so the meaning of success for everyone is different, like me. Now, one day when we are studying in our college, at that time, one of our mentor told us, to me and my friend, you both are the horses of very long race. It means you are the horses of very long race. You are not going to satisfy very easily. Why I am sharing these ideas to you is there is a purpose. You will understand in the last of the video. Okay, so as per my research, I want to tell you one thing. If you see in the market of EHS, okay, if you see the market share by the EHS companies around the geographic area, so there are around top 10 companies are there. Isometrics, DNVGL, Inaplon, Velocity ESS, Process Map, Quality, Quantic, Gensuit. They all are from outside the India. No Indian companies is available in top 10. Okay, so what it directly shows us to is our Indian people, Indian EHS professionals are much interested to get a job instead of doing something big in our field. Okay, as well as if you see the culture there also culture is same. Getting job, going into the field, that's all. Okay, so here, now people think that I'm just a student, I have not previous experience still, because of that I'm making daily that much videos. So for their kind knowledge, I can share on this platform today that I have previously worked with the fire protection industry in Google project. Okay, but when you are working somewhere, okay, so at that time some situations comes with me also. When some peoples are there who don't know anything about EHS, but they are guiding you how to do the things in a correct way. Okay, so it hurts. When it happens with you, it hurts a lot from inside. Okay, as well as one thing is that is called 100% utilization of your knowledge. Now see, for 1 year diploma, for 2 year diploma, or it may be from 3 year, 4 year BTech, all studies during that particular periods. Okay, when you come out of that particular period, you need to face the real world. So at that time when you are unable, what you have learned during your 1 year, 3 year, 4 year, it may be any degree. Okay, when you are unable to implement that in the practical life, then it hurts internally. As well as if you are unable to advance yourself, 100% utilization of your knowledge in the field, it hurts a lot. Okay, so that was one of the main reasons why I quit my job. Because there is no benefit simply going to the field, as well as what you have learned, you are unable to implement that. Instead of that, what we are doing, just taking one meetings, doing PPTs, as well as doing some unnecessary works which should not be done by us. Because if you are holding such a 3 years, 4 years degree means, I am telling to everyone, because it is a condition like that nowadays. Okay, we are doing apart from what we have studied. Okay, we are not doing some professional work. Apart from professional, we are doing some other works in the field. Okay, as well as when you are unable during your job, if you become a donkey in the sense simply going to the side, whatever the works they have given, done that work, coming to the home and sleeping. If that is your cycle, there is no meaning of that particular job, because you are unable at that time to advance yourself. Okay, so that was my reason why I quit my job. Now I have switched to a job that is called an EHSpreneur. Okay, now what is my benefit to become an EHSpreneur is, see guys, two things are there. Okay, first is the burning problem around the market. Second one is your skill. If your skill have the ability to extinguish that burning problem in the market, then you can do a very big thing in any field. Okay, studying all these things is not required. Studying this particular book which is required for the examination preparation of ASP, CSP examinations, NWCG National Wildfire Coordinating Group, different confidential fire protection material is not required, because as you know that in the job, knowledge about wildfire protection not required, knowledge about ASP, CSP examination is not required, but yeah, okay, I think you can understand here. But for doing something big, it is required. So what I want to tell here is, you need to follow your passion. Okay, it may be in your trainings, it may be your doing your job, but do a thing like that which can advance yourself. Okay, don't become a donkey. If you are going anywhere, don't become a donkey. Try to improve yourself. Some guys are there, they just go to job and just satisfy in that. So don't be like that. Life is very big. Okay, just try to learn each and everything daily basis, a new things. Okay, so it hurts when you see the real thing. Advances as well as researches are going on throughout the world in the field of fire protection, in the field of safety, in the field of industrial hygiene. But if we see the number of students, number of participants coming from our field, our India especially, they are very few. Why? Means because we have learned a table of job into one job into two job. That is the problem. As well as if you see the EHS companies, those who are operating in the India, okay, they are not coming in the EHS share, market share. If you see the top 10 companies which are working on EHS market, they are totally from outside. Some are from France, some are from US, some from South Africa, some are from Norway. So what it shows that we become the donkey of the job. It means job. It hurts, guys, on the real basis. When I see in the WhatsApp groups, people are just in personal basis also. I didn't disclose any name. People are personally messaging, sir, we are ready to give the money. Will you do our project? That I block directly themselves, because these are the things which make our community weaker. Okay, so do not follow that culture. If someone coming to you paying you money for unnecessary these works, it means you are making this field weaker. Okay, put that particular work into them. Let them do. Then only our profession will advance. As well as nowadays, the people are there in the WhatsApp groups. They will just, I need HERA for that particular excavation activity. I need HERA for scaffolding activity. What it shows, there is no competence available in these guys. So why they are asking? When they have completed any degree, when they have 6 to 7 years of experience, so why they are asking these type of documents? Okay, so these are the things that we need to understand. Apart from the job, there are a lot of things that you need to do. If you want real success in your life, then try to contribute to the field, either to do something big rather than a job. Initially, I'm not saying don't go for job. Job is necessary to continue your life cycle. Okay, because you need to give to your family also. There will be separate family for everyone. For me, there is a family. That's why I'm here. Okay, but try to follow your passion. If your passion is something like that, which can grow yourself in an enormous and tremendous amount, then it's a very, you can say, gift from the God. Okay, so this is the short message, guys, which I want to deliver you, and what's my reason why I quit my job. Now I'm okay because I can improve myself on the daily basis. You can see here. That much time I didn't got my job at the time when I was doing my job in Dodanakundi, Bengaluru. Okay, so these are the things which is happening there. So you need to make sure that you are working on that to sort out these things from your personal time. As well as yesterday I got one message from, I'm not going to disclose his name, but yeah, after seeing our videos, some youngsters as well as some professionals, those who are practicing with a higher knowledge, okay, they are coming in front of us by the mode of YouTube. Okay, so it's happy to see that. At least, as well as the great thing about that is they are not following the conventional pattern. Okay, the conventional pattern, I already told you what is the meaning of conventional pattern, and most of the YouTubers, those who are operating from previous years, they are following that conventional patterns. So now it's time to disrupt that pattern. We need to come up with the technical knowledge and advance our profession, EHS and fire protection profession. Okay, so now also I'm requesting all people, those who are planning to come on YouTube, don't think. If you have any technical knowledge, if you are planning to do something new, apart from those who are doing from last 2 or 3 years, just come. Don't think about that, because you know that how I'm shooting my video. No required of any setup, no required of any DSLR. Just take your mobile, sit in front of that and deliver what you want to deliver. The main thing is that content is the thing. So very good to see again those who are coming new YouTubers in the field of EHS to advance our profession, to give the authentic and reliable knowledge. Hats off to you, sir. Just come up. Okay, so guys, this is the full analysis of this topic. I hope you will like this video. If you like this, kindly share within your WhatsApp group so others can also get influences, as well as they can contribute their knowledge as well as skills to the field. Okay, so thank you for watching video in the next video. Till then, take care.